I'm elite.
You're sassy.
I know, bro. That's sassy side of me. You know? I have the sassy side of me, so I'm elite.
What's your name?
Why she hiding herself though? Where's the friend hiding herself?
Elite.
Yeah. And he's talking to your
I'm
phone.
actually busy with something.
Goddamn.
Oh!
My name is Daddy.
Daddy?
Type shit. That's my name, man. That's my name. Damn.
I would eat that dog chocolate, I'm not gonna lie.
He needs some milk.
Yeah, man, we started. We're about to see what the shoot is finna say. Give me. I don't even want to show this. Hey. Hey. Goddamn, you don't speak. Oh! You sure you don't speak or what, bro? Goddamn, bro, I only want fine shit, bro. Yeah, man, welcome this niggas, bro. A lot of niggas in the chat, bro.
She ain't got no reason.
A lot of niggas in the chat, bro. You smell like, I'm gonna say it because, you know.
Smell like heaven.
Tala Elohim llama.
Yo, bro, there's no face.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
Okay, wait.
Come see your face,
Whack,
bro.
or-
Hold on, just you're gonna fuck up. I'ma call you guys in the stream. Minor. Minor.
This is a light.
I'ma call you guys in the stream, then you'll come and Rizzing shorties, you get? Let me just cook up a young clip. Bye-bye. Don't need you. Okay, this looks like a bad bitch. It's time to pull up. Hey,
Hi, how are you?
this is a 2-man, bro. Pull up. You nice?
Damn, you nice.
Okay, first things first, now. I like the one with the blonde hair. I see potential.
Out of lips stays like yo. I like your lips, so it's like you blast with juice there. Juicy lips.
Okay, so what are your names? What are your names? Blondie,
Sir.
Blondie. This is South African. I'm talking. What are your names?
I'm Tori.
Nice to meet you, Terry. I'm elite.
You're sassy.
I know, bro. That's sassy side of me, you know. I have the sassy side of me, so I'm elite.
What's your name?
Why she hiding herself though? Where's the friend hiding herself?
Elite.
Yeah. And he's talking to your phone.
I'm actually busy with something.
Goddamn.
Damn.
You just put down the numbers, eh?
Okay, please, nah. Since y'all are busy with something, can I get your IG? Can I just call you Blondie?
Yeah, sure.
Type shit. So, can I get your IG, shorty?
Where that lips at? I can't see
Yeah.
the lips. Yeah. I see the lips.
Wait, how old are you though?
Did I write those things?
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, valid. Because I don't want to catch
How
no
old are you?
police case, nah. I'm 19.
21. Cap.
I'm 19.
21.
Nah, he's 21. I'm 19.
Cool.
How old is Lippy there?
21.
He's
She's 20.
21.
No.
She's what? 20.
Y'all are valid for each other, innit?
Barely though. Over 18, man.
What's they say been there?
Blondie. Can you type that shit down? I don't want to take
Yeah,
up my sassy side right now.
Yeah.
Type it down. Type it down.
Okay, I only typed mine. She doesn't want me to type it.
What?
Yeah, he gotta put more work in. Let me see your IG, wait.
You can never, you know you cannot make it.
Please leave a like. Let's do this for my boy. This was supposed to be a 2-man, but is being mised.
Nsambe batela flaco.
I'ma follow you, nah.
Bro, that
Nice.
Cool, I'll follow you back.
I bet. We'll talk more often, you get me?
that shorty, bro.
I bet.
But we gotta be
Why
more.
you not tapping in though?
But we gotta be more sassy on the chat, you get me?
Huh?
We gotta be more sassy, like I'm trying
Oh,
to.
you.
Me and
Who,
you.
me?
Me and you.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Right.
Alright. Nice to meet you. She's
Nice to meet you too.
WW man, I got the IG.
I got the IG. Bro, so what happened, bro?
Grandbaby's boom boom.
Dizzy Keto is next up.
Bringing Dizzy on the chat. Let's see what the man's about to do. That time he's cuffed. They don't want kids. Time he's cuffed. You get me? But he's on a stream because I asked permission to his main. He's an old lady, though. So we'll see what you're gonna do. If it's a one-man thing, you leave up, man. And then we'll see how things work.
How have you been?
Oh, damn. Hi, Mrs. Latina.
Hi, mommy.
Old lady, dad. Yeah, talk to her. My boy
Hi,
wants to talk
mommy.
to you, so let me just put him on. Yeah. Alright, talk to her. Can she understand English? Does she understand English? We're from South Africa.
All of them are from South Africa.
Sure. Hi, bro. Sick. We don't need colored brews here. We don't want gents in this shit. You strictly want ladies already, bro. You get me? 1 year for the mommies. That's all. That's all. Wait, how old are y'all, man? Oh, fuck, nobody.
Yeah, fuck.
Huh? How old are you?
9.
Oh! Damn!
Where's 21?
Damn.
Everyone, bro.
Who's that? Who's exotic? Coel. Yeah. Coel, what up, man?
Damn, bro. 3 man.
Yo, this is a 3 man. Wait, hold on. Hey. What's up?
Hi.
I fuck with the one holding something there. I don't know what is she holding. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Bro, that shit trended for, yo, boy. You saw it too, bro. What are you, man? Bro, I'm serious.
My man, move. Tell that guy to move. Remove that small guy.
Wait,
How old are you?
you look young.
Nah, no, how old are you?
Oh my days.
Bro, shout to you, bro. That's how you family. You gotta be chill with that, dog. I have to shout because I'm crashing out. You can't be putting mine in this shit.
Jesus, gentle legs. Move your face. Hi.
Hi.
Where you guys from?
Nah, we don't do that. Terrorist.
Now we Sky, bro. But I fuck with the one in front. What's your name?
Yeah?
My name is Jenna and she's Emma.
They said the one in
I wasn't talking about you though, but it's true.
Nah, I'll fuck with you. I'll fuck with how you speak. You.
I like you, the one in front. What's your name? Yeah.
Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
I'll fuck with Jenna, bro.
I'm Eli. E-L-I-E. Simple as that. See, your name got 4 letters, my name got 4 letters. We're ready to mash. Now I'm trolling. I like, yeah. How old are you?
16.
Oh my days. Damn. Hey. What's up? Yo, what's up?
I would eat that dark chocolate, not gonna lie.
You eat me?
What?
Dark chocolate? What you talking about, bro?
Huh?
What you talking about?
What?
She's trying to throw it, bro. She's trying to throw it. Can I see your friend, though? Can I please see your friend?
No, thank you.
Yeah. Are you nice, Mrs. Glasses, bro?
They both have glasses.
Thank you. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
I said, are you okay? I'm not complimenting you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Where's your face down?
She can't hear.
I got you. Yeah, I got you.
Oh, you just stay like that when I use it as a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's your name?
What?
I'm not sure this is trolling my thumbnail way. Whatever, not thumbnail, you get me?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hello. Ever since I was a kid, I was.
Type shit, I fuck with Cardi too, you get me?
Oh.
I like Playboy Cardi too, bro. And The Weeknd.
That's you, babe. You like the singing?
Bro, I'm talking to you, the one
She
in
said
front.
you like the singing.
Okay, I like the singing. Are you okay?
That's not me singing. I'm singing.
21 Ghetto.
Is the last guest and is next up.
Now we're introducing the one and only Mr. 13 21.
What's happening, man? Good.
Woo! Hey, bro, don't try to XX here. Chill.
What's up, baby?
Bro, I'm not your baby, bro.
I'm trolling. No gay shit, no DD shit out here.
Introduce yourself, bro. See,
Oh,
getting
that's
haircuts
good.
and everything, you're looking fresh, bro.
Yeah, I mean, my girl's doing well.
So she giving you something. If your girl's doing well, what are you doing here? If your girl's doing well? You're supposed to be attending to her.
Nah, she's still doing this. She's still doing it.
Hi.
How are
Hello.
you? You wanna cook?
My nice juice.
Where you from?
Morocco.
Nice to meet you. Are the bad bitches in Morocco?
What's your name?
My name is Daddy. Like, you wanna kiss me or what?
Yes.
What?
My name's Shurok.
Sure. Nice to meet you, Sure. Can you say my name?
Shurok.
Nice to meet you. Can you say my name?
Shurok.
Yeah, Shuruk. Nice to meet you. Can you say my name? Daddy.
Daddy?
Type shit. That's my name. Like, that's my name.
No. No. No.
She don't speak English, so please be patient with Sharuk.
Shuruk. One thing I want to tell you, right? You're very beautiful. You're very beautiful. Very beautiful. And when I find shit, I attack. No.
Good.
Yes.
Why are you pushing your face like that? Why are you putting your face on the like? I can only see one eye. What's the other eye? What happened to your other face?
No. I won't show my face.
Why not? You look beautiful. Like, I can tell. Like you're hiding that shit from me, baby girl. What's up?
Thanks.
Yeah, but let me see your face though. You're saying that for her. What you hiding? You hiding the beauty of her?
No.
Huh? What? Like, let me see your face, girl. What's up?
No.
You can just get yourself off. Whack. I don't know what you're doing here, girl. Like, you're fine. Fine.
Thank you guys if you made it this far. I really appreciate it, squad. But yeah, reminder, please subscribe to my new channel. In this channel, we'll be posting more often because it is based on my daily life and my lifestyle. Please like this video and your road to 1OK on, and on my vlog channel road to 100 subs.